Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically reply to Facebook comments using Google Generative AI. So I own a makeup studio, and to promote my business, I'm also running a Facebook page. And I'm receiving multiple comments on regular basis on the post which I'm sharing on my page. Therefore, I want to reply to each of them. But it is time consuming. Therefore, I'm using Gemini in order to generate the replies for each of the comment. And I want to automate this entire process of generating the replies and posting them on the same comment. Therefore, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So what I will do, I will simply set up a connection between my Facebook page and Gemini, and that too without the requirement of any coding and programming skills. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically reply to Facebook page comments with the help of Gemini. So here I am running a Facebook page with the name as Natural Glow Skincare. This is the page which I am using in order to promote my makeup studio. Okay, so I am an owner of makeup studio and beauty salon, for which I am running this Facebook page, and I am regularly updating new posts on the same page. Now I'm receiving multiple new comments related to the queries, new packages, new offers, beauty tips, etc. on my Facebook page post which I'm sharing. Okay, so I want to reply to each of these comments, but that is not possible to do it manually because I have a lot of core activities other to perform as well. Therefore, I am using Gemini to generate the replies for each of the comment in a specific and engaging way, and I also want to automatically post the replies on the comments which I am receiving on my Facebook page. Okay, so here therefore I am going to automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect. So what I will do, I will simply set up a connection between my Facebook pages and Gemini, and that I'm going to do without any coding or programming skills. So let's get started. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will do that, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, because I am already an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in option. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create different folders over here to save our workflow separately and accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, we will click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. And here a dialog box has appeared in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, I'm going to give a name over here. Automatically reply to Facebook comments using Google Generative AI. After giving the name to my workflow, here I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. You can see we have multiple folders over here. So here I'm going to select social media automations folder, and I will simply click on create. As we will do that, our workflow will get saved in the folder which we have selected. And here you can see a new screen is open in front of us, which contains two windows, trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles or the entire building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new comment on my Facebook page post, then I want to capture the response and I want to generate a reply for that same comment with the help of Gemini. So let's suppose I'm going to take Facebook pages in my trigger and Gemini in my action. When we are going to set up the connection between these two applications, we can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the comment is received on the post, then only the reply will be generated for that comment, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, to start the workflow, we have to go towards our trigger step. Here we have to select our trigger application, and that will be Facebook pages. After selecting the trigger application, now we have to select the trigger event. So our trigger event will be new comment over here. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. So when we will select new comment as our trigger event, that means whenever a new comment will be received on our Facebook page post, then the response of that comment with all of the details will be quickly and instantly captured over here inside Pabbly Connect. So we will simply click on connect to build the connection. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Facebook account, and this is my Facebook page. So you also have to log into your applications before making up the connection. Now To connect Facebook pages with Pabbly Connect, we have to go towards add new connection. In case if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. But to create a new connection, you will have to click on this connect with Facebook pages button. Because we are already logged in, so it is saying this is the account. We will simply click on continue. And over here our authorization has become successful, and now Facebook pages is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to first of all take you towards my Facebook account. Over here this is the name of my page, Natural Glow Skincare. So we have to select the same page which we want to connect over here, okay, from the drop down. So the name of my page is Natural Glow Skincare. I will simply select that. Now you have to click on save and send test request button so that the response will be captured. As we have done that, you can see it is showing waiting for webhook response. So over here now, whenever a new comment will be received on our Facebook page post, then immediately the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So we will do a test submission over here. How we are going to do that? By simply posting a comment on our Facebook page post. But before that, we will simply turn the simple response button on because we want to capture the response in simple terms. Okay. Now I will open a new account of Facebook, and with that account I'm going to post a comment on this page post. Okay, so here I'm going to open a new account. So here with a new account I've opened the Facebook page post with a link, and over here we have the option of comment. So I'm going to post a comment on this Facebook page post. Can you tell me about the latest festive discounts at the salon? So here I'm going to post this comment. Basically it is a query by the customer or a client related to the discounts offers at the salon. So now I'm going to post this comment, and as the comment is posted, we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect. We will wait for the response over here. And here we can see that we have received the response. In this response here, we have received all the details. When you will scroll down here, we have received the from ID. That means the user's ID, the name of the user who has posted this comment. Okay, here we have, when we will scroll down here, we have received the date and time. Here we have the link, post link, that means on which post we have received the comment. Okay, here you can see that here we have received the post ID, the ID of the post on which we have received this comment. Here we have received the exact comment, the exact message. Can you tell me about the latest festive discounts at the salon? Here we have the post ID once again. Okay, when we'll scroll down here, we have the comment ID. Here we have the date and time in the timestamp format at which the comment is created. Here we have received the item which we have received. We have received a comment, okay, and all other details. This means that our connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And because our trigger event is new comment over here, so as soon as a new comment will be received on our Facebook page post, Natural Glow Skincare, then the response of that comment with all the details will be captured in Pabbly Connect as well. Now, according to our objective, here what our next step will be? Our next step will be to generate the reply for the comment which we have received. So in order to generate the reply, as I told you, I'm going to use Google Gemini. With the help of this, I'm going to generate the unique and engaging replies for each of the comments which I'm receiving. And here, therefore, I want to set up the connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect for that. Let's move towards our action step. Here, our action application will be Gemini. So let's quickly select that. Then we have to select the action event. So here our action event will be to generate the content. We'll click on connect. Now to build the connection, here you have to enter the API token. Okay, so here in order to build the new connection, we have to enter the API key. But in case if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now to generate this key, you have to simply click on this hyperlink Google AI Studio. So I'm going to click on this link, and it is going to take you towards Google AI Studio. Over here on the studio, you can generate your API key. So first of all, you have to click on this Get API Key button. You have to create a new API key by clicking on this button, Create API Key. And over here, you have to select the project in which you want to create the key. So if you already have an existing project, you can select that. I'm going to select this my first project, but if you do not have any project, you can create one project and then you have to create the key. Okay, then we will simply click on Create API Key in existing project button. And over here my key is ready and it is generated. So we'll simply copy the key, we'll move back towards Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Done. Let's click on save. And over here we can see that Google Generative AI is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now by using this connection, we are going to generate the replies for each of the comments which we are receiving on our Facebook page post. So first of all, you have to select here you have to enter the details, text, model, methods. So here first of all, I'm going to quickly select the model by using which you want to generate the content. You have multiple options over here. I'm going to select this model Gemini 1.5 Pro. Okay. Then here you have to enter the method. We have two methods over here. So we'll select generate content. Okay. Then we have to enter the text. That is the most important step. Text is actually the command or the prompt that we have to give to Gemini, that what we actually want it to do for us, because my objective is to generate the replies for the comments which I am receiving on my Facebook page posts. So here the text which I am going to provide to Gemini will be related to that only. So the text will include, so this is the text: generate a specific single reply for the comment which I have received on my Facebook page post for my page named as Natural Glow Skincare. So here you can include each and every detail of your business, of your page, of your post, whatever details you want to include in the replies. So here the name of my page is Natural Glow Skincare, so I've also included that. And here further the text says, which I am running to promote my beauty salon and makeup studio. Okay, here let me correct the spelling. Then we'll move forward. Here I've also included, we are also offering 10% discount for the festive month of August on all the bookings. Here I have included a very important detail which I want to inform to each of the clients who are posting the comments this month. Okay, so the prompt contains the details which I want to provide to my clients. Here I have included the offer or the discount rate which I am going to provide to my clients this festive month. Okay, then here we have the comment. So I'm going to simply enter the comment on which I want to generate the reply, and after that I have also included an instruction that do not include unnecessary headings and symbols in the reply, as I directly want to post it. So in the similar manner you can also provide the instructions to your prompt according to your requirements. Then we will simply enter the comment which we have received, and you can see we have already received the comment on which we want to generate the reply. So instead of entering it manually by copy and pasting, what we will do, we will simply map it. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here you can see we have the previous step, and this is the message which you want to enter over here. Let's select that, and it is mapped. So as we have mapped the data, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to replace that too automatically. So this means that now whenever a new comment will be received on our Facebook page post, automatically the comment is going to replace from this particular field, because we have already mapped that, and a new comment will come over here in the place of it. Okay, in this way we are going to automate the entire process of generating replies for each of the comment with the help of Gemini. Then after entering all the details, we will simply click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here you can see that we have received the response. In this response, first of all, we have received the reply. Hi there, we are offering a fantastic 10% discount on all salon booking throughout August for the festive season. Do you have something specific in mind? So this is an amazing reply which could be generated for the comment. This, can you tell me about the latest festive discount at the salon? Okay. So here in this way, we are going to generate the replies for each of the comment, whether they are positive or the negative. Now we'll move forward, and here what we have to do, we have to simply post this comment on the Facebook comment which we have received on our post. But before that, as you know, we are going to receive comments on regular basis entire day. But if you are going to post the replies for each of the comment instantly as they are being posted, so it will not look nice. It will look that we are using some kind of automation for it, or it will be shown that we are too desperate to reply. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will simply delay the workflow for a specific time, let's say for 2 minutes or 5 minutes, and as soon as the comment will be received, the reply will be instantly generated, and that too automatically. But it will not get posted immediately. It will be posted after 5 minutes of the reply generation. So in that case, what we will do, we will simply click on this Add Action Step button, and here our action application will be delay. So delay is an amazing feature of Pabbly which helps us to delay the workflow up till a specific time or until a specific time according to our requirements. So here we will simply delay the workflow for a specific time in order to post the replies of Facebook comments. Here our action event will be add time delay, and we will simply click on connect. Now it is asking us how much delay you want to put in your workflow. So we have two options over here, delay for or delay until. So if you want to delay the workflow for a specific time, then you can select delay for option. But if you want to delay the workflow until a specific date, for example, today is 12th of August and you want to delay your workflow up till 28th of August. So you can select delay until in that case. But over here, I just want to delay the workflow for a specific time, that is for 5 minutes. So I'm going to select delay for option. Here we have the delay unit. For what unit you want to delay the workflow, we have to use minutes over here, and then you have to enter the delay value. So here we have the delay unit as minutes. So the value will be for how many minutes you want to delay your workflow. So here 5 will come because I want to delay my workflow for 5 minutes. Then we will simply click on Save and Send Test Request button, and here we have received the response. In the response, it is given that the status of this delay is success, and here the workflow is delayed for 5 minutes. So what will happen now? Let me tell you that. Whenever a new comment will be received on our Facebook page, instantly and automatically the reply for that comment will be generated with the help of Google Gemini. But it will not be posted as reply on that same comment immediately. It will be posted after 5 minutes of the reply generation. Now when we have delayed the workflow, our objective is to post the reply. So we'll simply set up the connection between Facebook page and Pabbly Connect once again. So now what we have to do, we have to click on this add action step button, and this time the action application will be Facebook comments because we want to reply to the comment. Okay, then we have to select the action event that will be reply comment on page post. Okay, reply on a specific comment which is received on the post of our Facebook page. Then we have to click on connect. To build the connection, I'm going to go with add new connection, and we'll click on connect with Facebook comments. We'll select our account, and here you can see that our authorization has become successful and our connection is absolutely successful as well. Now after building the connection, we have to enter the details. First of all, let's select the page. So the Facebook page on which we are receiving the comment and for which we want to generate the reply is the same, Natural Glow Skincare. We will simply select that from the drop down. Then you have to select the post ID, top level comment ID, and the comment which you want to post as the reply. So first of all, let's select the post ID. We have already received the post ID and we have received all the details related to the comment, for which post the comment is received, comment ID, post ID, and etc. So here we will simply map the post ID from a previous response only. Okay, as I told you, mapping makes the data dynamic. So when we are going to map the post ID over here, it is also going to replace with each and every new response automatically. So to map it, we have to turn this mapping button on. Here we have the existing data. We will remove that. We will remove it quickly, and we will simply post the ID which we have received from our earlier response. This is the post ID, and as we have mapped this post ID, now it is going to replace. So the new post which we are going to share on our Facebook page, and we are going to receive the comments on that post as well, it is going to map automatically whenever the comment will be received. Then here the next is top level comment ID, the ID of the comment which we have received. That also we are going to map from the earlier response. So we'll turn this mapping button on, remove the existing data, and we will simply map the comment ID over here. Here we have the comment ID, we have mapped that. Then at last we have to simply map the comment, that means the reply which we want to post on the comment. So the reply is generated through Gemini. We have mapped that, and we will simply click on save and send test request button. Over here, as we have clicked on save and send test request button, you can see we have received the response. In this response, we have the page ID on which the comment is posted. Here we have the access token. Here we have the post ID on which the comment is received. This is the comment ID, and this is the comment which we are going to post as reply. So I'm going to take you towards my Facebook page. Over here, we'll go towards the post, and we will refresh this page once. Now you can see that here we have the comment section, and I'm going to open it. So you can see that this is the comment which I have received, and over here we have the reply. Okay, this is the exact reply which we have generated with the help of Gemini. So this means that our connection between Facebook pages, Gemini, and Facebook comments is absolutely successful. So this means that now whenever we are going to receive a new comment on our Facebook page post, then immediately the reply will be generated for that same comment, and it will be posted after 5 minutes on that same post automatically. These are the steps which you have to follow in order to automate this entire process. You can very easily create this amazing automation which is going to help you to engage your audience. You will be able to very easily communicate with your audience by replying to their comments promptly, and you do not have to do anything manually after that. Okay. Also, you can include each and every information which you want to provide to your customers, clients on the basis of their queries related to the business, related to the page, your community, and etc. So everything will be forwarded to your clients automatically with the help of the replies. Now, once we have set up this connection successfully, I'm going to test this workflow once again. So I'm going to post another comment on my Facebook page, and you will see that automatically a reply will be generated, and after 5 minutes, the reply will be posted on that same comment. So here I have posted another comment. I just love the services of this salon. And here, as soon as I have posted the comment, we will wait for the 5 minutes to get the reply on this. Okay. After 5 minutes over here, you can see that a reply is generated over here. I'm going to click on the reply, and it is saying, "Thank you so much. We are so happy to hear you loved our services. Don't forget, we are offering 10% off on all bookings this August." So you can see a very nice reply is generated and posted on the comment automatically. Alright, so this means that our workflow is running absolutely fine. So here let's quickly summarize what we have done in the workflow. Actually, we have taken very simple steps, trigger and actions. In trigger, we have taken Facebook pages, and in action, we have taken Google AI Studio, that is Google Gemini, Delay, and Facebook comments. We have connected all of them in such a way that now whenever a new comment will be posted on our Facebook page post, then immediately a reply will be generated for that specific comment with the help of Gemini. A delay in the workflow is already applied over here for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, automatically the generated reply will be posted on that same comment on the post. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.